Oh, hi guys, welcome back to Melbourne Punjabi Kids. There's one thing, I know the car looks different. As you can see, interior looks different. Back it does. Back it does, I mean, this is the same seat car, but you might be thinking, why are we in a different car? It's the first thing you might be thinking. Because, I don't think if I told you one of my other videos, well, when I was in Canada, my dad was in an accident. I mean, not a severe one, but, my dad was in an accident when I was in Canada, and it was kind of hard because we only had a small car, and it was hard for my dad to go to office and all that. So then, this is my dad's office car, and yeah, my dad got it from his office, and it's a Toyota Cougar, and yeah, pretty much. And we're here to pick up something from my dad's office. That's why, we're here.
Shall we go to pick it up?
Yep, let's go.
Alright, cool.
Peace. Let's get out. Oh, they did not. I didn't put it there. Okay, we're out. It's a white color car.
And it's a beautiful area, isn't it?
Yes, quite beautiful, but it is a rainy weather even though it's straight here. Let's go.
Yeah, I think
This was like a 45-minute drive from my house.
Yeah, it was pretty far, wasn't it?
Yeah, I mean,
Okay,
it
come
only
on, let's
takes.
cross.
We are in the city. We're kind of in the city. Kind of. But I can tell we're in the city, and that's why there's a lot of cars. And sorry if you can't hear me because there's a lot of cars traveling around, and and yeah. Dad, pause the video for a second.
No, go on.
Flight simulator. What is that right there? Something which I've been waiting for since my 8th birthday.
Since your 8th birthday, what have you been waiting for?
That's
Really?
yeah.
So what do you think today is all about?
I don't know.
Picking up stuff from Daddy's office, or is it something else?
I don't know. I think it's the office space, but I don't know. Since it's been my 8th birthday, I've been waiting. We'll see what happens.
We'll see what happens with what?
See what happens because we are approaching it.
Because we are what, sorry?
We're approaching it.
Because we are approaching this. Don't get your hopes up too high.
I know. I know we are going to my dad's office, so yeah.
Yeah? Alright. Okay, cool.
So yeah.
Let's go in.
So this is where I'm picking it up from.
First time doing flight sim?
Yes.
Yeah, good. So the flight sim's in there. They've got a session on at the moment, but when they finish the pilot, will come out and grab you guys. So if you just
So
want
is
to
it
chill
like
out
a
here-
pilot?
He's a real pilot, yeah.
What?
Yeah, it's like
Oh.
they've got the seat and the sticks
I
and
know.
the switches
Yeah, I've
and
seen the
everything.
video. I've seen the video.
Yeah, so no, he's a proper pilot. So if you've got any questions about flying, probably know the answer.
Okay.
But yeah, if you just want to chill here or there's an attendant there for a few minutes. But yeah, he'll pop out. Big tall guy in a pilot's uniform, so he's nice in the spot.
Awesome. Thank you.
No stress, going to be dark.
Arshaan, so how's the surprise?
Thank you, Dad. I prefer. I was not expecting this. Seriously, I was not expecting this. So,
Oh, this is a pretty cool setup they've got.
I always say that.
And
Thing.
that is Pac-Man.
Oh yeah, Pac-Man. We have
Pac-Man, you've got Donkey Kong.
yeah, we have a Nintendo,
Ooh.
and we have stuff like that. I'm not really gonna do
Correct.
anything. And yeah.
What are you choking up now?
No. We're just going to my throat. And yeah. I was not expecting this. And it's a real pilot. I'm so excited. Guys, I'm playing Donkey Kong right now. I don't know where's my character going. I think this is kind of broken. cold. I died. Yeah. This is kind of. And when my dad was born, these were the kind of games that my dad had in his days.
Right, so welcome to 727. Get the nose drop. Pull back a bit more. Keep relaxing you let the nose drop back down again, that's why you've got low.
30, 20, 10.
Have you gone down? Or down?
You're on the ground, your nose is now on the ground as well.
Go down.
Yep. Alright, welcome to St. Martin's.
Awesome.
Still fly and land it. Just keep it level. Don't push forwards, raise the nose just slightly.
Yeah, okay, this is gonna be hard. I normally like turn to where I'm turning right now, and then I turn back to, you know, stay over.
No, you can turn our
Go
shot.
down and go down.
Now to the turn.
Huh?
Just
Oh,
keep it level there.
I feel like I'm gonna crash. I think I will.
Don't worry.
Just
Pull
a
back, pull back.
Okay.
Past the far end.
Oh my god.
Small gentle movements. Pull back, pull back.
50,
A little more. Stop. Too much, just wait.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Small gentle movements will make it easier.
Brakes on. He contours.
Yeah, that's really parked out there.
So we're gonna take off now.
Alright, yep. So the 45 on your left down there, that one is your speed. When that one says 150, it is time to fly.
What plane are we flying?
737-800.
What's the brand?
Oh, it's just a generic 73.
Oh. There could be contours or something. So it has
No,
to be
because then
one-
someone else wants this and someone else wants that, so I'll just leave it on the generic one. But yes, we can change them.
Yeah, take them out. the gears off. Oh,
It'll be up when the red lights go out.
huh?
It'll be up when the no.
I don't want to stall.
No, do that. Pull back just a little, just gently, very gently. Don't push forwards. Gently pull back, gently pull back. A little more, little more, little more. Stop.
10.
There we go. Wasn't perfect, it was a rough one, but you know what?
You landed.
We landed. The aircraft still works,
Yay.
and everyone's
Oh my
alive.
God, it's like tilting.
Yeah, that's what they do. That won't steer you, they just tilt the
Was
aircraft.
this a crosswind landing or something?
No,
Awesome.
that was you just yanking on controls. The lights, big light housing. A white light on top, a red light underneath, and a very, very, very precisely set metal divider between them. So if you're up the top, you'll only see white. If you're down low, you'll only see red. In real life, if you're the angle of the divider, then you'll actually see a pink light, which is symbolic.
Right. Okay, well that's
Very simple. Awesome.
Cool.
All right, so you can go back and to the left. Which one was your favourite?
I'll take this one.
What was better, takeoffs or landings?
Takeoffs.
Oh,
Takeoffs was fun, was it?
Yeah.
The landings were much more better.
Okay.
Most people say landings.
He's an exception to the rule, isn't it?
That's right.
Yeah.
We're
All
gonna be
right.
there.
So, what are you saying?
Thank you.
Not a problem. Enjoy the rest of the weekend.
Cool.
Exceptions make the world more fun.
So guys, I finished all of it. I finished the thing, and yeah.
I think because we are right next to the road, it's really hard for us to sort of, hear anything.
Yeah, true.
So when we sit in the car, maybe then you can give us a bit of a feedback.
Yeah,
All right. Where's the car?
right there.
Right there.
So guys, that was a pretty good experience, and yeah, it was pretty good. That's all I have to say right now.
What was the best part?
I could say landing.
The landings?
Yeah.
Okay. How many did you land?
2 of them I crashed,
Yep.
and the rest I landed. We did one takeoff, which was like we straight landed, and then the plane stopped and then we took off.
Was that good?
Yeah.
Would you want to do something like this again?
Yeah.
At the same place, or do you want to try something else out?
We could do a different place.
Okay. And what about your thoughts on becoming a pilot?
Well, you said you decided then, so I'm still deciding.
Still deciding. Okay. All right, cool. Ta-da. All good. So I think that we should end this video.
Yeah, so